y'all, coming to you from the international headquarters, ScottieDTV, but I was at the National Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and man, what a cool place. If you've never been there, you got to go check it out. Even if you're not crazy about the Corvette, it's still a cool place to go see automotive history. And one of the historical cars they have there is this 1989 ZR-12. Thought y'all would like to see. Let me get the camera turned around and take a quick look at it. The first question you ask when you see this exhibit is, why is there a Viper sitting in the National Corvette Museum? But then when you find out, because initially when I saw the car, I didn't see anything different in it than any other Corvette from that generation. So the story goes that when Chrysler announced the Viper up at the North American International Auto Show in Detroit, General Motors hightailed it back, promptly cut a ZR1 Corvette, early production ZR1 Corvette in half, and added 8 inches to it. I mean, it's got some extra gauges on it. The windows were up, so I couldn't really get a good shot of the interior, but like I said, when I initially walked up to the car, I didn't suspect anything was amiss about it. But yeah, no, it's got a V12, 686 horsepower, 600 cubic inch. There's the inspiration. 680 foot-pounds of torque. Falconer. That's the best way I can figure to pronounce that name. If I mispronounce it, I'm sorry. But they're known for building aviation and marine engines mostly. But this package worked for General Motors. They were able to lengthen the hood. Like I said, they cut the car in half, chassis in half, put 8 inches into it, and then lengthened the hood. And yeah, to me, it looked just like a Corvette. I didn't even really know that it was a ZR1. Just a good-looking red Corvette. Well, that's cool that, you know, inspiration comes from all different places, right? Including your competition. The Vette's still around and the Viper is gone. I hate that because, you know, the Dodge Viper was an all-American cool car, something unique the whole world knew. And I just hate that they never were a huge selling success like the Corvette is. You know, for most of Corvette's history, they sell all they build, you know, and have a list waiting at the end of the year. But the Vipers, they were all handmade, and it just didn't, you know, and I think that long nose made them hard to drive. Everybody I know that had one had scraped up the fronts, and you know, it's just where you're sitting in the car compared to where you sit in every other car was just way different. But don't get me wrong, I'd still love to have one. I wouldn't mind having that either. But again, argue with your buddies. Tell them there was a ZR-12 that General Motors made. See what they say. There it is, National Corvette Museum, Bowling Green, Kentucky. So there you go, the 1989 Corvette ZR-12 from the National Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Hope you all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.